Look at this website. I created this complete website using AI for free. All the texts, images, and animations are provided by the AI tool. Even the beautiful color palettes are also given by the AI tool. It creates About Us, Services, Contact Page, etc. necessary pages. Similarly, we created a sample website named wpwiki. Even this AI tool added a subscribe button linked to my YouTube channel. Crazy! These complete websites are made just from this short prompt. So let's introduce the AI tool. The tool name is Lovable, and surely you will love it after watching this video. If you sign up, you will get 5 credits per day, but if you sign up using this referral link, you will get 15 credits instantly, which will give you extra flexibility. Here, you have to give a prompt of what website or tool you want to make. For that, let's go to ChatGPT first. Give short brief about your website. You can follow the prompt. I will provide it in the video description. Copy it and paste it on Lovable. Then press Go. It started creating. Keep patience here. It took about 5 minutes to complete. This is the tablet version of our website. Let's check our website in desktop mode. Click on Preview. The color choice is really good. It also created all pages as well as the pricing table and many more. To modify any section or text, you just need to click on Edit. Then select the section, and you can command what to modify or replace the text. Also, you can use the command line to ask for any modification. Just tell me what you want. Then enter. They changed the background image and color. Do your desired modifications. You can modify the URL from here, then click on Publish. You can also add a custom domain for your website. You can buy a domain for hosting your website, or you can connect existing domain, but these require premium subscriptions. Another interesting thing is copying others' designs. If you go to the home page, you will see some amazing designs of the other users' websites, apps, or prototypes. You can simply browse them and remix them and use or customize them for yourself. Let's remix this design. Now you can use this as your own design. You can give a command to this AI tool by saying anything. So, this is the video on how to create a website using AI for free. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like it. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section.